I don't need to explain about the importance of AI these days. You might have seen its impact on many industries and employment as well. Most of the people they want to get into AI, but due to lack of guidance, they are stuck. So, Apt Computing Labs is going to offer an online course on AI with Python. Basically, here we discuss about most of the Python concepts required for many domains like web development, AI ML, data processing, testing, automation, lot. And also we are going to discuss about basics of machine learning and AI. When we come to the details about this course, its duration is 30 hours, which has 7,000 rupees per head, including GST. Every Monday to Thursday in evening 7:30 to 8:30 is the timing. All the sessions are recorded and the weekly assignments are given to the participants, and every day after finishing the session you will get MCQ so that you can test your learning, and in between we can give you some mini projects so that you can get hands on them. When we come to in detailed topics, these are all the topics. What are all the topics are required for beginner to intermediate level Python developer? All those topics are included here. After that, you can see some topics are related to data visualization, data processing and all. And then we touch the introduction to the machine learning. We cover few of the topics on supervised learning, unsupervised learning, deep learning, and also to be a domain specific, natural language processing basics are also covered. Along with that, we see the G drive looks like this. So you will have folder for slides, like whatever the slides I present will be placed here, and whatever the recordings are recorded will be placed here, and some of the books and papers for the our reference will be placed here. So this entire folder will be shared to all the participants. And the MCQ looks like this. So after every session, I'll be sharing one link where you can see MCQs so that you can test your topics on that day. And for every course, we maintain a GitHub repo. So where we upload all our Jupyter notebooks, some sample programs, and your assignments as well. And also whatever you work on some projects, right, can be uploaded here. Those are the details about the course. If you are interested to join the course, you can call me or directly message on WhatsApp so that I can join you in the group to get our everyday updates, Google Meet links and all. If you want more details, also you can call me or directly message me. That's all. My name is Kamal from Apt Computing Labs. See you soon. Thank you so much.